Does your app need a loading indicator? And are you using Cupertino widgets for your UI? If so, then CupertinoActivityIndicator is the widget for you. CupertinoActivityIndicator is the Cupertino version of the Material Circular Progress Indicator. It animates in a clockwise circle, and if you want to freeze the animation, set the animating parameter to false. You can also change the size of CupertinoActivityIndicator using the radius property. CupertinoActivityIndicator is especially useful for awaiting non-deterministic behavior. So one way to incorporate it into your app is to wrap it in a feature builder. This way, CupertinoActivityIndicator will appear while your app is loading data and disappear when your data is ready. For more on CupertinoActivityIndicator and all the other widgets, visit flutter.dev.